Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the relationship between two-port network parameters ABCD parameters in terms of Z parameters. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic, two-port network parameters. There are four type of network parameters available. The first one is the Z parameter, open circuit impedance parameter. The next one is Y parameter, short circuit admittance parameter. Third one is H parameter, hybrid parameter. First one open circuit, second one short circuit. Combination of these two is the third one, hybrid parameter. The fourth one is ABCD parameter, transmission parameter. Designing the transmission line, we can use these parameters. Separate video available for all these four parameters. In this video, we are going to express ABCD parameter in terms of Z parameters. So first we will see the general equation of ABCD parameter, transmission parameter. V1, I1. 1 refers input port. Input port voltage and current are expressed in terms of output port voltage and current. V1 equal to AV2 minus BI2. I1 equal to CV2 minus DI2. 1 refers input port, 2 refers output port. Here both available. Input port voltage and current are expressed in terms of output port voltage and current. A, B, C, D are the transmission parameters. Then Z, open circuit impedance parameter. This open circuit refers either input port and output port is open circuited. V1, V2. So input port voltage and output port voltage are expressed in terms of input port current and output port current, I1, I2. Voltages expressed in terms of current. Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 are the impedance parameters. Now we'll see how to express the relation between ABCD in terms of Z parameter. Now we'll take this equation 1 and 2 for ABCD parameter. This equation we can assign 1 and 2. For Z parameter we will assign 3 and 4. Now consider the equation 4. We are going to rewrite the equation 4. So the equation 4 is nothing but V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. This Z22 I2 is brought in the left hand side. So it becomes negative. V2 minus Z22 I2. That is equal to Z21 I1. Now rearrange this. This term is written left hand side. This term is written right hand side. Z21 equal to Z21 I1 equal to V2 minus Z22 I2. Now brought this Z21 in the denominator of the right hand side. This term is brought in the denominator. So what happened? 1 divided by Z21 V2 minus Z22 divided by Z1 into I2. So we got the expression of I1. We will take this equation number 5. Now we are going to substitute this I1 value in equation 3. What is equation 3? So this is equation 3. V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. So we are going to substitute this I1 value from the equation 5. Now we'll see how to substitute. So this I1 value is replaced. 1 divided by Z21 V2 minus Z22 divided by Z21 into I2. Now multiply this Z11 inside. Is commonly available. So Z11 divided by Z21 V2 minus Z11 Z22 divided by Z21 into I2 and this term Z12 I2. So this I2 available in second and third term, commonly available. So we'll take the I2 outside. Right, so it is already negative is available in outside, so this negative is taken outside, so it become positive. Z11 Z22 divided by Z21. This one is positive, so it become negative become positive, Z12. Now we'll take this Z21 commonly, LCM, we'll take the LCM, so that Z11 into Z22 minus Z12 into Z22 divided by Z21. There we will assume that this 1 is available, so we are multiplying these two terms. Right. Now we will go for the further simplification. So this term can be written as delta Z, determinant of the Z matrix. Z11, Z22 minus Z12 into Z21 is nothing but determinant of the Z matrix that can be replaced by del Z. So after replacing del Z, what we have? V1 equal to Z11 divided by Z21 V2 minus del Z divided by Z21 into I2. We'll take this equation number 6. Now we'll got the expression of V1. Earlier we got the expression of I1. Now we are going to compare the equation 5 and 6, what we rewrote, with equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 is nothing but ABCD parameters. Now we'll see, we'll compare how we are comparing and how we are getting the relationship. So this is equation 5. What we got? I1 equal to 1 divided by Z21 V2 minus Z22 divided by Z21 into I2. Similarly, this equation 6. What we rewrote. This equation 1 and 2 is nothing but general equation of ABCD parameters. Right. Now see this here, I1 V1 available. Here also I1 V1 available. So that we can compare the coefficient of these equations. Now consider this equation 1, V1 is there. In equation 6, V1 is there. So we can compare equation 1 and 6. Right. So in equation 1, the coefficient of V2 is A. Here coefficient of V2 is Z11 divided by Z21. So both are equal. So A equal to Z11 divided by Z21. Then coefficient of I2 is minus B. Here coefficient of I2 is minus del Z divided by Z21. So both are equal. Here both negative available, so we can take it as positive. Del Z divided by Z21. Right. So A is equal to this term, minus B is equal to minus of this term. Right. Now we'll compare equation 2 and 5. Equation 2 is I1. Here also equation 5 is I1. So that we can compare the coefficient. This coefficient of V2 is C. Here coefficient of V2 is 1 divided by Z21. Right. So that C equal to 1 divided by Z21. Then minus D. Coefficient of I2 is minus D. Here coefficient of I2 is minus Z22 divided by Z21. So both negative available, so it become positive. D equal to Z22 divided by Z21. Right. So C is equal to this term, A is equal to this term. Now we got the relation between ABCD parameter in terms of Z parameter. These ABCD parameters are expressed in terms of Z parameters. So in this video we discuss what are the two-port network parameters available, 4 type. In that we discuss the general equation of ABCD parameter and Z parameter. Then by rewriting the equation we got equation 5 and 6. That equation 5 and 6 are compared with equation 1 and 2. From that we got the relationship. ABCD parameters are expressed in terms of Z parameters. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.